boys, so here we go for the last video for this lesson. Alright, so continuing on with our 24-hour time differences, we've got 0630 and 1045. Now remember, in 24-hour time, the first two digits are hours, the last two digits are minutes. Alright, so we're going to start at 0630, we're going to go to the nearest hour, which would be 0700. Remember, the nearest hour is taking us from the 06 to the 07. 0700. Then we can go straight to our last time, 1045. Okay, so our time difference from 6:30 till 7 o'clock, 30 minutes. Alright, we've gone through 30 minutes, we've got 30 minutes left to get to that next hour. Then from 0700 or 7 o'clock to 1045, we've gone through 3 hours here and 45 minutes. Now we're just going to add those times up like we've done before with our calculator. 0 hours, 30 minutes, put it in your calculator, plus 3 hours, 45 minutes, put it in your calculator, and you'll get your answer of 4 hours and 15 minutes. So let's try another one. We're going from 0510 to 1215. So starting at the 0510, go to the nearest hour, which is 0600, 6 o'clock. Then we can go straight to the 1215. With the 24-hour ones, you don't have to go through midday or midnight to jump over to the other times because it's 24-hour time. You don't have to be going through the 12 o'clock. So these ones will always have 3 times written in this working, not 4 ever. So here we start at the 5:10, go to the 6 o'clock, and then after that we go straight to our finish time, which is 12:15. So at the beginning here, from 5:10 to 6 o'clock, we've gone through 50 minutes, and the time difference from 6 o'clock to 12:15 is 6 hours in the hours and 15 minutes. So now we're going to add up our time differences. It's 0 hours 50 minutes, 0 hours 50 minutes, plus 6 hours 15 minutes, and you'll get your final answer of 7 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, another example. So again, remember it's 24-hour time, so we're past 12 already here. It's 13:40 up to 21:50. So we go to the nearest hour, 13 jumps to 14, so it's 14:00. Then we go straight to our finish time, 21:50. So from 13:40 to 14:00 is 20 minutes. Then this last bit, from 14 to 21, that's 7 hours and 50 minutes. So we're going to add them on our calculator like we've been doing. 0 hours 20 minutes plus 7 hours 50 minutes, and you'll get your final answer of 8 hours and 10 minutes. Now these last couple of questions are asking what time. Make sure you underline that in red because we're not finding a time difference now, it's a time. So make sure your answer is a time when you're finished. So what time will it be 5 hours after 3 p.m? So after means we're going to add time on. So I put a plus sign there to remind you. So we're going to start with the 3 p.m. and we're going to add 5 hours. So the 3 at the beginning there is our hours. If we add 5 to that, we get to 8. And just keep that as it is. So it's 8 p.m. Make sure you remember to put the PM on the end for this because sometimes you'll lose marks if you don't. Alright, down the bottom here, we're looking for a time. What time will it be 28 minutes after 7:15 p.m? So we start with our 7:15 p.m. After means we're adding. So we're adding 28 minutes. Now it's got to be added on to the minutes part over here. So we're going to keep this 7 and do 15 plus 28 in the minutes. You can do 15 plus 28 on your calculator, and that will give you 43. So it's nothing changed here, 7:43 p.m. And we're going to finish our lesson there today. You don't have any homework this week, all right? So whatever I give you to copy down and listen to, please listen to it. Please listen to the explanation. The videos are there for you to keep. If you're having any trouble at all, your parents will be able to watch the videos with you, and you'll be able to sort of say, what did she mean by this, Mum? And someone will be able to explain it at home. If you're really stuck, then you can email me, but it's probably better if you just get all the notes copied down, listen to the explanation, and you don't have any homework to do. For those of you who want to do something, there's probably Mathletics for most of you there to do. So if you want to have a go at Mathletics, you can. Okay? Stay safe.